Feel the rhythm. This is the immigration area. Feel the rhyme. If you come here, check it out. Take a picture with our sticker and I'll put you on our channel. I think that'd be so awesome to do. Look at Jamaica. And then another bigger bark. It's bobsled time. Cool runnings. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Chris, and today we are back in Jamaica. Not physically per se. We're sadly here in central Pennsylvania with the fields and the more cars, but you guys have requested a lot of information about Club Mobay, so we want to be able to bring that to you. Club Mobay was honestly something that we kind of struggled to get a lot of good information on, to at least to be able to kind of see what it was about. So in this video, you're going to see kind of what Club Mobay is about. We just kind of check out the lounge area and the food area, show you guys what the food's about, because we really didn't have a whole lot of time before our flight left. So that sounds interesting. I hope you guys stick along for today's adventure. Full disclosure, we did not have Club Mobay on arrival. We tried for about 3 months to be able to get it, and no such luck. We tried to get help there on the island from some people, and we struggled. We couldn't get it. So what you are going to see is going to be a little bit of the airport and kind of like entering the airport, heading over to Club Mobay. We make a fun little stop at Margaritaville, so make sure you check that out. And then we obviously, we head into Club Mobay and head down, show you guys the lounge area, show you guys some of the food. Their food was pretty good. It wasn't bad at all. I think the pro tip that I'm going to leave you guys with on this video is if you're having trouble getting into Club Mobay on arrival, I think as long as you're there before 12 o'clock noon, I think you're going to be okay. Our flight got in right around 11:30, 11:45 in the morning, and while it was busy, there were a lot of planes that were ahead of us. I don't know if we got the luck of the draw and we were lucky and our terminal, our gate was just the closer one. But as you'll see here, there really wasn't a whole lot of people on arrival when we got in. Yeah, we're not looking too shabby today. And we didn't even have Club Mobay. Mira! Look at that! This is the immigration area. Just shut the camera off now. I would say, all in all, the process, maybe 10-15 minutes max from the time that we stepped foot off of the plane and got through immigration. So it was very, very simple. Very smooth process. But departure, this actually, I would say, saved us pretty good on departure. It got us through the lines. The departure lines when we got there were very, very busy, and there was actually a couple that had come in front of us on the departure. And it's funny because we've heard from so many people that it's kind of a waste on departure. We paid $35 a person, so that alone, just if you want to get drinks, and that includes your alcohol and your food, in my mind is well worth it. Now, just imagine if your flight gets delayed and you're kind of stuck somewhere. At least here, you're in a lounge. You can continue to eat and drink and be merry as merry as you can be if your flight's delayed. But I would definitely recommend it. But as I was saying, there was a couple that was in front of us when we arrived at the airport, and we went through the Club Mobay section. And when we were coming out of Club Mobay to go to our gate to get on the plane, they were just making it through security. So we would have been cutting it very, very close, and we were there probably about 2 hours before. So that was pretty busy. And when we landed, that was on a Saturday at noon. So I would say that's probably one of the busier days. And when we were departing, it was Wednesday evening when we were departing. So anyway, that's enough talking. Without further ado, let's head in here, show you guys the airport, and check out Club Mobay. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think of this. And if you don't know what Club Mobay is kind of like Jamaica's, they actually have two. They have Club Kingston and Club Mobay. Club Mobay is obviously in Montego Bay at the Sangster International Airport, but it's kind of like their pay-to-play service. to be able to get you through customs and immigrations a little bit quicker. Obviously, they don't honor global entry there, so this is kind of their pay-to-play, you know, to be able to get through all of this stuff a lot quicker. All right, well, we arrived for departures. We're looking for Club Mobay. Rumor has it it's right down here by these TVs. Then supposedly from there, they're gonna take us through, and then we get lounge access. All right, I couldn't do video in there. It's kind of crazy. They don't let you do it, but Club Mobay is definitely the way to go for departure this time. Holy hell, we fast-tracked a lot. We're not in the club yet, though. We're heading there now. Something pretty cool to show you guys up here. I've been excited to see this. I see it already. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme. Look out, Jamaica. It's bobsled time. Cool runnings. The freaking bobsled. That is awesome. Cool Runnings is one of my all-time favorite movies ever. Probably should have watched it on the way down here. Do you like Cool Runnings? Have you seen it? Yeah, man. Alright, looks like there it is. Oh, yeah. We have one more fun thing to do before we go in the Club Mobay. I have to leave a piece of Adventures Are For The Cowles in Jamaica, man. We're gonna go do that right now. This is pretty cool. I seen this on another YouTube video, and I've been so pumped to do this ever since I've seen it. Here it is, Air Margarita, Montego Bay Tiki Bar. So fun fact, if you come here, there are stickers that people put on this from all over the world. And we get to add our own today. So do me a favor, if you come through this airport, try to find this sticker and take a picture of it. And I'll post it in one of our videos because I think it's pretty damn cool. We just have to go find the opportune spot because there's a lot. There is so much. Nah, we can't hide it, honey. We're gonna come down here. We're gonna find a spot. Right down here. Also don't want to be disruptive to the people who are here eating, but I think this might be it. Right here. There it is. Adventures Are For The Cowles. It's official. Adventures Are For The Cowles. Like I said, if you come here, check it out. Take a picture with our sticker and I'll put you on our channel. I think that'd be so awesome to do. On the way out, I hit a secret one. So let me know if you find that one. Now it's time to go check in the Club Mobay and check this puppy out. Pretty excited for this. Kind of hungry. Didn't have breakfast at the hotel this morning. So we could check out the food here. So let's go there now. Alright, there it is. Club Mobay time.
Flight 2126. Departing to Fort Lauderdale.
So we're in. I'm gonna go up here and get something to eat real quick. Kind of hungry. Pasta salad. Got a bean stew, some potato wedges here, some rice, some brown stew chicken. Try that. Got some patties, soy patty, chicken patty. No beef patties right now. Chicken patty. Got some jerk chicken out.
With a spoon, there was one. I think someone. You waited.
Thank you.
Chicken sandwich. Okay, so they got more over here. Restrooms down here.
I didn't hear what restroom.
A little bit of a nicer lounge area. Chicken nuggets for the kiddos though. Other than that, same food. And then just another bigger bar. That's it. There is Club Mobay lounge area. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this week's adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more Jamaica content, we did stay at Riu Aqua Rail, which is a fairly new resort here in Jamaica. It was roughly about, I want to say, a half hour, 45-minute drive from Montego Bay. But we have a couple videos of that. We also went to the Bob Marley House and Mausoleum. We checked out Juicy Patty and some KFC. KFC was a very highly recommended thing to check out in Jamaica. So if that sounds interesting to you, then I think you may like this video or that video. But until next week, I hope you guys stay safe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.